A Naan Khatai is a shortbread cookie or biscuit that originates from Pakistan. You have got to try these. There is no other way of knowing how amazing these are. Here's how you make an authentic basic Naan Khatai. So to make the dough, I'm going to add ghee to all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add caster sugar and baking powder. I'm going to mix this together using my hand and turn it into a dough. I'm going to take little balls of dough, flatten them with my palms, and then put them onto my baking sheet. You can make naan katais any size that you want. So this is a small one, but I've gone with a variety of sizes. So I've got big naan katais and small naan katais. I'm going to brush the top of my naan katais with some egg yolk. This is going to lend a really nice golden brown color and an amazing texture to your naan katais. And now we're gonna pop these in the oven. If your naan katais are a nice golden brown color on the top and they're lightly brown on the bottom as shown here, then they're done. Have fun making these and have even more fun enjoying and eating them. Thank you.